pounds oil pressure. Got an 18-speed auto shift. The motor was all rebuilt. We stripped the motor and put the parts into that one.
Okay.
We took out the pistons, the liners, the rods, these rods. We took out the pistons, the liners, the rods, and we put them in that motor.
Okay.